In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove the product category and product option segments from your WordPress URLs, all by using WooCommerce and a user-friendly plugin. By the end of this video, you'll know how to tidy up your store links, improve search engine optimization, and give your customers a smoother, more professional browsing experience. Let's jump right in. The easiest and safest way to customize your WooCommerce permalinks is by using a dedicated plugin. This saves you from wrestling with complicated code and lets you make changes with just a few clicks. For today's walkthrough, we'll use Permalink Manager for WooCommerce. It's well-rated, widely used, and gives you pretty powerful control over your store URLs. First, you'll need to install and activate the plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins on the left-hand menu. Click Add New, and then search for Permalink Manager for WooCommerce. When it pops up, hit Install Now once installation's finished. Don't forget to click Activate if this is your first time adding a plugin. Don't worry, it's just like downloading an app on your phone, and it only takes a minute. Now that the plugin is running, let's explore its settings. Find Permalink Manager on your dashboard menu and open the settings. Here's where the magic happens. You'll spot options for modifying the base structure of your product and product category URLs. By default, WooCommerce adds product and product category into your site addresses, which can clutter things up, especially if you care about aesthetics or SEO. In these settings, you can clear out or customize these slugs however you like. Just look for something like product base and product category base to remove them entirely. Delete the existing words in those fields, leaving them blank. For example, if a product currently appears at yourstore.com/product/blueshirt. After you make these edits, it'll become simply yourstore.com/blueshirt. It's a much cleaner, shorter link, and it can help make your shop look more professional. Once you've made these changes, scroll down and remember to save. Take a moment here. Sometimes the plugin gives you advanced options, like setting up automatic 301 redirects from the old URLs to the new ones. This is really helpful because you definitely don't want visitors or Google to land on broken links. If you see redirect options, enable them. If you're unsure how redirects work, think of it like setting up mail forwarding after you move houses. You want everything to arrive at its new destination safely. Next, let's clarify the part about product options. These are technically called product attributes in WooCommerce, and they're often used for things like color, size, or material. WooCommerce assigns them a base slug too, which shows up in URLs. If you want to change or remove this, go to your WordPress settings. Then click Permalinks, scroll down to the optional section. Here, you'll see the product attribute base. You can adjust this just like we did for products and categories. Just clear the text if you want it gone, or swap it for something more relevant to your store. After you've made all these adjustments, it's a smart idea to test your new URLs. Visit your site as if you're a customer, click around, and make sure everything loads smoothly. If you see any issues, double-check your settings. And don't worry, plugins like Permalink Manager usually include pretty decent documentation in case you get stuck. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've streamlined your WooCommerce URLs, making your store easier to navigate and more SEO-friendly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions or tips in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress and WooCommerce guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.